got your parts.
Oh, awesome.
So you can get this sorted then. Okay, it should take about an hour to do, so.
Sweet.
I'll
We'll
see
back
you
an
in
hour. Cool. Thank you.
Easy. See you in a bit. Here we go. Brand new again. No blue line. Yes. What we have to do is just cover up the back and it looks brand new.
Yes. One's broken. That was my son's old one.
Oh wow. Really going through it. That's a normal occurrence then. Yeah.
Yes, it is. I know that had glass in it and he picked all the glass off.
Definitely the first I've seen. If you put your code in, it should already be on the settings. It's on 100% again.
Okay,
Battery.
thank you.
That's all right. 428 altogether.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Take
care.
See you. Have a good day.